Hello, everyone. A very warm welcome to Arpita's Leisure Time. Today, we will be learning something new. We will learn the art of growing shallots with or without soil. It's not always really possible to get hold of a pot of soil or a pot of sand to grow your favorite kitchen herbs. So, today, we will learn to grow these kitchen herbs even if we are not getting a supply of soil or sand. So, what do we need to do? We just need to get hold of a handful of shallot from the market, peel them gently, and plant it. So, isn't this very simple to grow? Now we will see how do we do it. This is how we plant the shallots. If we are not having a supply of sand or soil, we will do it in water. It's more like a hydroponic. See, you just need to get hold of a bottle of water. Keep in mind that the neck of the bottle should be of a very less diameter. Just need to peel the bulb and put it on the rim of the bottle. Keep in mind that it should not fall inside. Now if you have a pot of soil, it's fine enough. Moisten the soil, peel the bulb and put it inside the soil. While putting it in the soil or while planting it in soil or sand, keep in mind that only a tenth of the bulb should be planted, not the entire bulb, or else it will get rotten. Just plant it, moisten your soil or sand regularly, and put it in sunlight. That's all you need to do. Let's see what's next. In this picture, you can see a peeled onion with small tiny white parts jutting out. These are the root meristems which will give rise to the root system. These root meristems should not get injured while peeling or scraping off the dry roots. Two other points to be kept in mind are you need to water the soil or sand regularly if you are doing it in soil or sand, and keep them under sunlight. If you are using a bottle of water for cultivating your kitchen herbs, keep in mind that the water that is evaporating every day should be replenished. Replenished in the sense that meristematic region, the part which are giving rise to the root, should not get dried up. And after a few days, you will see luxuriant green herbs growing. These green herbs are packed with antioxidants and have myriads of health benefits. And apart from these, it adds a great depth to the taste of your cuisine. So let's see after a week what type of growth you get. Yes. Isn't this really luxuriant? So I hope you understood how easy it is to grow your very favorite kitchen herbs with very less ingredients in hand. So if you have liked the video, please do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for your kind attention and hope to see you soon. Goodbye.